In the previous parts of this series, we explored wooden main door design, CNC carving details, and professional finishing techniques. Now, in part 4, we focus on structural strength, security considerations, and long term performance of a premium wooden entrance door. A beautiful door is important, but a strong and secure door is essential. The thickness of the panel, internal reinforcement, frame quality, hinge support, and locking system compatibility all determine how well the door performs over time. A well-designed entrance must combine aesthetics with durability and security. In this part, we will understand how proper material selection, frame alignment, and installation accuracy contribute to a main door that not only looks premium but also functions smoothly for years. These are the practical factors that many homeowners overlook during construction. Through this series, Sanjesh Construction aims to guide you beyond surface level design and help you make informed decisions that improve both appearance and structural reliability of your home entrance. When it comes to a home, the main door is not just an entry point. It is the first statement of design, strength, and quality. A well-designed main door reflects the personality of the house and the taste of the homeowner. In modern Indian homes, full-size wooden main doors with CNC carving are becoming a top choice because they perfectly balance tradition and modern design. This door design showcases a premium, full-height wooden panel crafted with precision CNC carving. The vertical orientation gives a tall and elegant appearance, making the entrance look grand and welcoming. The natural unfinished wood tone highlights the original grain pattern, giving a rich and authentic feel that paint or artificial finishes cannot replace. One of the key highlights of this door is the asymmetrical layout. On one side, clean rectangular recessed panels are arranged vertically. These geometric panels bring a modern architectural touch and create depth without making the design heavy. The spacing and proportions are carefully balanced to maintain simplicity while still looking premium. On the other side, the floral CNC carving adds a soft and artistic contrast. Flowing curves, leaf-inspired patterns, and smooth edges bring life into the door surface. This mix of straight lines and organic curves makes the design suitable for both contemporary and traditional homes. The floral carving is not loud or overdone. It is subtle, elegant, and timeless. Circular rosette elements placed above and below the floral carving add symmetry and visual rhythm. These small details play a big role in enhancing the overall design language of the door. They also reflect traditional Indian carving influences while keeping the look modern and refined. The diagonal curved groove running through the door acts as a design connector. It visually separates the geometric section and the floral section while maintaining harmony. This curve makes the door stand out from standard flat panel designs and gives it a designer look often seen in luxury homes and villas. Another important aspect is the full-size framing. The door is designed to be seen completely from top to bottom, including the border frame and threshold. This full-height presentation is ideal for main entrances because it enhances vertical space and creates a strong visual impact from the outside. Material quality plays a major role in door durability. Solid wood or high-grade engineered wood ensures long life, resistance to warping, and better finishing results. When combined with precise CNC carving, the final output is sharp, clean, and consistent across the entire surface. This type of door design is perfect for homeowners who want a customized, premium entrance without unnecessary complexity. It suits independent houses, duplex homes, villas, and even luxury apartments. With the right polish or finish, this same design can adapt to multiple architectural styles. If you are planning a new house or renovating your existing home, choosing the right main door design is crucial. A professionally designed and crafted door increases the value of your home and leaves a lasting impression on visitors. This is where expert execution matters. At Sanjesh Construction, attention is given to every detail, from design alignment and carving depth to finishing quality and installation accuracy. A door is not just manufactured, it is crafted with experience and understanding of real site conditions. Sanjesh Construction focuses on blending modern CNC technology with practical design knowledge. This ensures that the final door not only looks beautiful but also performs well in real-world usage. Proper thickness, strong frame support, and smooth surface finishing are all taken into consideration. Another advantage of working with Sanjesh Construction is customization. Designs can be modified based on client preferences, house elevation style, and Vastu considerations. Whether you want deeper carving, simpler lines, or additional detailing, the design can be adapted without compromising quality. For homeowners who want a premium look without excessive ornamentation, this door design is an excellent choice. It offers elegance, durability, and uniqueness in one complete package. If you are serious about upgrading your home entrance or planning a new build, connect with Sanjesh Construction for expert guidance, quality workmanship, and reliable execution. A well-crafted main door is an investment that adds value for years to come. A main door is more than a functional element. It is the architectural identity of your home. In modern residential design, full-size wooden main doors with CNC carving are redefining how entrances look and feel. This design demonstrates how thoughtful detailing and balanced composition can transform a simple door into a statement piece. The full height structure of this door enhances the sense of scale and proportion. Taller doors automatically make entrances look more luxurious and spacious. When designed correctly, they also improve ventilation and natural light alignment when paired with proper framing. The natural wood finish used in this design allows the beauty of the grain to remain visible. This creates a warm, organic appearance that artificial laminates cannot match. Many homeowners prefer this unfinished or lightly polished look because it gives flexibility for future finishing and maintenance. The left side geometric panel arrangement adds a sense of order and modernity. These recessed rectangles are not randomly placed. They follow a structured rhythm that complements contemporary. A premium wooden entrance door must deliver more than visual appeal. As discussed in this part, structural strength, secure installation, and long-term durability are equally important in creating a reliable and high-quality main door. When thickness, frame stability, hinge placement, and locking compatibility are handled professionally, the result is an entrance that feels solid, secure, and dependable. A well-executed door enhances not only the appearance of your home, but also the confidence and safety of the people living inside. Choosing experienced professionals ensures that design and structural performance go hand in hand. Sanjesh Construction focuses on delivering complete entrance solutions, combining aesthetics, technical accuracy, and long-lasting execution standards. If you are planning your dream home or upgrading your existing entrance, consult Sanjesh Construction for expert guidance, customized solutions, and quality-driven workmanship. Support this series by liking the video, sharing it with others planning construction, and subscribing for upcoming parts where we continue exploring advanced main door concepts house elevation ideas, and professional construction insights. A strong entrance is the foundation of a confident home. Build it with care, precision, and the right expertise.